long time no see. Today we are traveling on the train and we are in India, in Mumbai, and we are traveling to Nashik by train. That's Neil. It's his first train ride and we are very excited. So that's Neil there and that's his Baba, and this is our compartment all to ourselves. We have half an hour to move from here. Until then we are just sitting here and watching what's happening outside. Neil loves the trains and he is having a lot of fun watching all the hustle and bustle over here.
The train is gonna go in a tunnel.
Yeah. Do you love it?
And the train. We're inside the train, Mama.
Yes, we are, Neil. And then we have fun climbing on the bird. We have massage session on the top berth. Now we have some dinner. We have already packed our dinner from home.
I'm hungry.
Everybody. Hi everybody. Bye. Hi Mama.
Hi. Who's driving the train, Neil?
Mrs. Rabbit.
Mrs. Rabbit is driving the train?
Yes.
Oh.
It's gonna go faster now.
See, it's starting. It starts.
We got some water bottles.
I can see sauce. Yeah, Let's go into the tunnel.
Whoa.
Another one.
Is it going faster?
Was it too fast, Neil?
It's faster. Coming.
Look, that's
Okay,
a
bye.
station, Neil.
Bye.
Sandus Road.
Bye. They're not listening to me.
They can hear you, Bobby.
Faster train. Another one.
Wow.
Go in the tunnel. Let's go in the tunnel.
That train has got some speed now. Now sit back. Let's
Look what happened.
Thank you.
And that's for dinner?
Just snack.
Snack.
Evening
Okay.
snack.
That's for your snack, Neil.
Evening snack.
You excited?
And another one is coming.
Oh. Neil, you have a stock full of trains here, isn't it? So much fun.
Another one is coming from the track.
Yeah, one goes and the other one comes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Over there.
You see another train round here?
Yeah. It's gonna come again. Another one.
1, 2, 3, 4,
did. You
Found it.
You did.
And it's gone.
It's gone. Neil, we got our snack.
Yay, we got our stuff.
Are you gonna have something?
And with the apple juice.
What do we have?
We have snack.
So we have a kachori.
And some bread.
What is it, Neil?
Cheese sandwich.
And what else do we have, Neil? Oh.
From the cheese.
Okay, take it. Take it, take it. I'll give it to you. Take it.
Another
Neil,
one,
look,
Mama.
Bobby.
Look, another one.
Thank you.
Yeah, how big is this, Mama?
And we get some
Can I
tea.
try it?
So this one, we have told Neil that it's white color cotton candy, and he is loving it.
No, it's fun. That is the inside.
So we got off the train and got a taxi to our hotel, and here we are. And we go. Wow.
Go find the fan.
There's no fan in here, Neil. Oh. Come.
We have the vegetables.
There's a bed here
Some pear,
and a TV,
some
a desk.
banana,
Okay, Neil will say what we have. What else?
and some sweets, and some cheese, and some art. There's so many fruits, Mama.
Yeah.
How you have this one, Mama? Oh, pear.
Wow, you're lucky you got a pear.
Pear. No, 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 no. Let's eat pear. Yummy, so yummy. I love it. I love it. Yummy, so yummy. I love it. And banana is for you, Baba.
Okay.
And banana. Pear. Pear. No, 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 no.
Can I
Let's
close
eat pear.
Thank you.
This is the bathroom. That's the mirror, the sink, a bathtub, a toilet, and this is the shower area. That's the shower.
And a bathtub. A bathtub.
Yes, a bathtub also.
And a shampoo.
Shampoo, yes, shampoo.
And washing.
Washing? Wash basin?
And toilet.
A toilet, yes. What else?
Towel.
Towel, yeah.
And there's no fan in here.
There's no fan in here. Come, let's go out.
No.
And we can see the road from that window, can't we? Did you see the cars?
I'm gonna get down, Mama.
Yeah, sure, get down, come on.
I have the apple.
Ooh.
Maybe I tried the
Is it a toy pear or is it a real one? And now we're gonna go down and eat dinner. What would you like to eat?
I want chicken.
Chicken?
I want mosquito did, Mama.
What did mosquitoes do to you?
They put the boo-boo on me.
Oh, they did boo boo.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Baby.
and she got mosquitoes.
Yeah.
And she took mosquitoes. I
Yeah.
will eat you.
Oh, you're gonna eat musketeers.
Yes.
What do you want to eat now?
Mosquitoes.
Ew.
I only eat mosquitoes.
Ew.
I only eat insects.
You don't?
I only eat chicken.
Yeah.
I know I eat shark.
Shark?
Yes.
So we had some chaat, some sikh kebab, some prawns. I wasn't able to film everything, but Neil has already had his dinner and is on dessert already. And after having our dinner, we head back to the room.
I can start with Mama.
So after we came back to the room, Neil had his bath, and I will now read him a bedtime story. It has been a very long day for all of us, so I will end the video now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!